Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have Summer here today. She's been wearing this outfit for a little while. I just got it recently, and it's very, very cute. It's actually a very cute winter outfit that I'll probably put on somebody else again in a little while when we finally get some cooler weather around here in Florida. But I got a little something, and I think she's the perfect one to wear this new outfit. Look how cute that is. So I had some credit over on American Girl, the website, and I had to use it or lose it. So I decided to pick up a really cute outfit, and I thought she would be the perfect one to wear this super cute pink sort of preppy inspired look. So let me flip over the camera here and we'll see what's inside. American Girl does a really good job with their packaging. There's no kajinkers, anything tying it down, putting holes in it, anything like that. And clearly you can see what's going to be inside of here. Yeah. So I don't remember if it was also on sale, but like I said, I did have credit, and I had to use it or lose it. So I used it to purchase this from their website. Oh my gosh. Okay, I really like this fabric. I think she's a good candidate for this because she has pink, a little bit of pink in her hair, and of course she's blonde too. Look how cute this is. Very cute, very nice details. And then it has this little shirt. So I like that it's multiple pieces, so I can mix and match here. Oh, I did not realize it had a little headband with it. I forgot about that. And then we have some socks and little slip-on shoes. Oh, I like the chunky shoes. How cute. I will say I was very tempted. This is everything in there. They just lay it inside. They don't strap it down and put holes in your clothes. Mattel, take note. But yeah, I was really tempted to get the outfit, the Clueless outfit, actually both of the outfits that they had for Clueless. And I came very close, but it was a little bit pricey, even with the percentage that I would get off with my my little credit that I had that I told you about for buying this. But this, I just really like the pink color, so I went with this. Yeah, so I'm going to, off camera, put this on her and be back to show you what she looks like in it. All right, before I show you everything on her, I wanted to talk about this headband. Not impressed with this headband. I mean, first of all, this tag, if you put this on her, there's like, this tag's going to be visible. I mean, what, you know, they could have stitched it like in here. It would have fit. I mean, and the thing is, if you rip it out, it's sewn into the seam. Yeah, so anyway, there's that. And then it's really small. I was like, wow, look how tiny this is. And when you try to put it on her head, I mean, you got to like really, I'm afraid to break it. When I look at the picture, this doll has it on, but way back here. Almost like, you know, it doesn't really fit her head. Yeah, so, I mean, not impressed. I play around with it, see what I can do, and I'll show you the rest of the outfit here. Flip the camera back around. All right, I got it on her. Not sure what I think about it, and like you can see the tag sticking up. So, I mean, I guess I can tuck that in, but that seems unnecessarily odd to me. I pulled a little lock of her pink hair in front here to get a little pink on pink. And I would say that's one criticism I have with this this release, Summer. I feel like they kind of chickened out on her pink hair. It's mostly underneath. And I think it would have been cute if it was like maybe one of the braids was pink or something like that. So, anywho, that said, this looks really super cute on her. Look at this. Really like this. Very, does give me the Clueless vibe. Little schoolgirl look to her. You know. Yeah, and it's, you know, typical American Girl quality. Very good quality, except for this crappy headband. But the rest of it is very well made. You got little faux buttons up here. The shirt and the dress Velcro in the back. There's a little bit of gathering here around the wrist. The shoes are really nice. And the socks are nice and thick. I was concerned about the socks being too thick, but you can see the shoes fit on no problem over these socks. Look at the back of it. Like I said, all of this is Velcroed here. The shirt is Velcroed. Nice collar. Very, very cute. So here is Summer turned back around. I think she looks really cute in this. Not sure what I think about the headband. I may not even keep it on her. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I did tuck in the tag, so it looks a little bit better. But let me know your thoughts about the headband. Should I keep it on her? Does it look weird? But otherwise, I love this outfit. And I've actually been sort of plotting and planning to create my own version of a Clueless 18-inch doll outfit. I have some fabric set aside. It is plaid with pinks in it, so I think it'll look good with this outfit as a kind of color coordinating. Not necessarily matchy-matchy, but hopefully I'll have time in the near future. But I have it set aside. It's on my to-do list. But right now she's enjoying this super adorbs little preppy outfit, and Summer looks so cute in it. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by and spending some dolly time with us. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.